This is a presentation for EDF689, Methods of Educational Research for Dr. Betty Capella. I am teaching for my presentation how to use SMARTboard technology, because we don't have a SMARTboard in the classroom, so I've got to find another method to do it. Alright, what you have here is the Bus Day website. Now this is your first thing. You have the internet. You can use the internet with here all you want. Now, the way the SMARTboard works, you're going to see down here you have the light pens. I'm going to show you those later. And up here is the projector unit. To the sides are the speakers. SMARTboard is controlled by your finger. You can move, you can slide anything around with your finger. You can slide a window around. Using your hand, you can slide anything around you want. You can slide it around just like you were dragging a mouse. Dragging, clicking, dragging, and clicking. Now, assuming you wanted to type something in here, I'm just going to use the My Bus Day as an example. I'm going to go to student email. I'm going to show you an example of how to type. Using this button here, it has an on-screen keyboard. Minimize this. So here, and here you can just use a keyboard to pull up anything you need. Another feature of the SMARTboard is what's called the ink pens. These ink pens here, there's 4 colors here. There's blue, green, which is missing on this one, red, and black, plus an eraser. When you take the pen out, the color in here will light up and tell the monitor what it's supposed to do. There's a program. The reason why this works is through a program called InkAware. It's a program that was created for the SMARTboard or any other interactive whiteboard that makes it so that you could write on any Microsoft Word document and most other Microsoft programs. It doesn't work with the desktop, but it works with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and other Microsoft programs. You can have this here. Once I pick up the blue pen, put that one back.
It will be. I know.
I can write in blue. Put this one back. Take it back to black. Right here. Next feature I'm going to show you is a feature called the Extended Desktop. About 30 seconds for me to set that up. The feature known as the Extended Desktop is a method in SMARTboard and many other things can use to allow multiple displays. Now, I'm working at a laptop, which I'll pan back to in a second. What I'm looking at here is extending the desktop. What extending the desktop does is it makes it a dual desktop. So while the laptop itself, which is over here, acts as the first desktop, you can see up here that it acts as the second desktop. Now, stuff disappeared here. Now, I'm dragging something all the way from over there over here. This is what you see here. Monitor 1 is the desktop. Monitor 2 is the SMARTboard. Same rules apply. I can drag anything that's in this window and drag it back to here, back to the laptop if I need to. As you all can see, the light pen doesn't work in here because it's not a compatible program. Looking off to your left, you see one of the whiteboards there, but over here, you see one is over there in the lower left-hand corner is the laptop that is used. There's also a magnifying device. Another whiteboard over there. I'm going to switch it back to the single desktop for the remainder of this presentation. And I'm just going to do it in here to show you what else I can do. Basically, like you're clicking a mouse, you're just going to double click your finger right on top of the double tap. Gear display. You're going to switch from back to extended displays. Duplicate displays. Apply. And it's now, after a couple seconds, it is back here. You can use this to go to any website that it allows. I'm going to enter a website for expediency's sake. And here is a poetry website. You can pull up any literature. As far as literacy is concerned, you can pull up any form of literature that you want. You can just type it in the search window. Say you're looking for Robert Frost. Robert Frost. And that, let me move this over. And extend that out a little bit. And now, here is the poetry by Robert Frost. You can use this to pull up any literature you want online. That's how it improves literacy. You're improving information literacy because this has a lot of options to it. The whole class can see this. Now, let me minimize everything. All right. This is also Smart Eraser. Just allows you to, that's like a regular eraser. Microsoft Word is one of those programs that's Inkware. Alright. Close out that. Nice. Alright, and there you have the extended desktop feature. And these are just some of the capabilities of the SMARTboard. They're not professional, but the SMARTboard is really awesome.